So, nandito kami sa Courtyard by Marriott sa Nanaimo. Dito kami mag-stay for sa aming second day. Okay, so nandito kami sa Courtyard Marriott by sa Nanaimo. So, So, 2 queen bed, TV, and aircon, gawaan ng kape, yung washroom nila. Ay, sorry, maling switch. Okay. Yung kanilang washroom. Bri, may view ba? Natin yung view. Wow!
Yun yung view.
Ay, ando may view. Sorry. Wow, lapit natin, no? Pwedeng lakarin mamaya. Tapos may cherry blossom pa. Bri, ano yung cup mo?
Kape?
Cup. Ito yung quesadilla niya, Bri. Right, Bri?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, open. Open. Ooh,
Wow,
cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, daming cheese, Bri. Look. Tsaka fruits.
Strawberries and blueberries.
Thank you. So, ito naman yung sa amin ni Elsie. Donaire dude! Delivery!
Salamat.
I think, parehong beef.
Ay, parang beef.
Parehong beef donaire. Beef wrap.
Yay. Eat.
Let's eat mga na. Yeah.
You both beef ka?
Yeah.
Mama, Maria.
Good morning, Nanaimo. Mahangin. Yun o. May mga cherry blossom pa. Wow. Healthy and hindi healthy.
Oh, this is Aubrey.
And Aubrey. And yogurt and bacon and egg. And coffee. Aubrey, look! Tingin ka kay Papa. Yay! Parang hindi naman ganun kalakihan yung ferry, pero kasi yung mga truck.
Ano pala nang view natin dito eh.
Yung na kailangan umakyat.
Oo nga no. Ayos pala eh.
When all the pieces
Aubrey.
seem like they can't be found, I'll be the friend that is standing there